go. Game 3 the series.
White ball.
Oh, it's still open though, right? But it's your shot still.
It's my shot.
But still
It
open.
used to be like that would be mine. I don't know if the actual rules are I can choose not to take that and go for somewhere else. But if I miss, so I'll take that.
What?
The one I sang, so I'll be solids.
Alright. Alright, my shot. Cat shot. So you're solids?
Your stripes.
Alright, and yours.
Your white stripes.
I can't get that. The 8 ball.
Yeah, you can't see it. The only thing you can see, you can't cut the 10 in. You can hit these guys.
Yeah, I can hit. I guess I'll hit them. This is a good spot. The cat shot.
What was it, guess last night you saw 3 or 4 in a row? I mean, you
Yeah.
scratched 3 or 4 in a row.
Yeah.
We'll try 13. Yeah, there you go.
Just the 10. Alright. Oh, it didn't even see it.
Huh?
It didn't even see it.
You didn't see it?
Yeah, because this is in the way. This
Yeah.
towel. I had to always.
And I sunk it.
Oh, yeah.
Let's try to get him down there now.
Hey! Cheetah! Whoa! That was a nice shot. Oh, I
I'm
think.
going to go for the 5 ball in the pocket. It tried to come off the bank. Oh, I didn't come off the bank.
Alright. Uh, 14? I can't. Hey, Papa, you see what I'm doing?
What are you doing? Up.
Oh, I can't do it. From a bad angle.
Yeah, and real cool, they wouldn't let you do that.
What? Would it let you? Would it let you like sit on
At
this?
least 1 foot on the ground.
But could you like sit go like this? Could you go like? Could you go like this to like?
You gotta have 1 foot on the ground.
Okay. My turn? Alright. I don't know what to do. I'm not sure if I even hit the cue ball. I might have hit that.
What happened?
I'm not sure if I even hit the cue ball. I might have hit that.
Just the 13?
I don't know if I hit it. I could like check the replay, but it would take long.
Yeah.
Should I check the replay?
Nah, it's okay.
Oh, come on.
Hit it too hard.
After your turn is over. Wait.
Get the turns over, you will look.
No, then it's gonna be a commercial break. It's gonna be a break. And this turn's over. And now we're gonna go to a break. So I can set this up in a better spot. And we can watch the Phillies game. Oh, well no, Papa. So we can watch the Phillies game also. But I think it just went to commercial. Alright, break. Back from the break. And so it's my turn. And I'm striped. And I'm not gonna keep.
Oh no.
I don't know what I'm gonna do. If I should go for the 11, or if I should try to like wake this up.
Since the 11 is just sitting there, we go for that.
It's kind of missed.
It's somewhat of an easy shot.
Maybe like I should hit like right there.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know how to play it.
You see anything? Anything on that stuff? I'm gonna try the 9. Wow, I made it. I scratched.
Oh wait, whose turn would it be then? Mine? Would it be my turn?
It's your turn then, yeah. But I
Okay.
don't get to shoot again because I scratched.
Yeah. Oh, the 13. Here we go.
Okay.
13. Oh, I need more chalk on it.
Thank you, Zach. Oh, I scratched on the 8. Uh-oh. Look at that 8 waiting for when somebody's going to knock it in by accident.
You always thought I could have won.
Oh, I only got 1 ball left, so I get that.
Okay.
And you got to be careful smashing yours all around. I remember last night though, I had an easy shot and I knocked it in, but the cue ball went in too.
Just gotta do that.
Estimated arrival time 9:30. But she said she'll call. I'll call when I land. But now the estimated time is 9:30. So what was it? 7 something.
7:49. So it's like, you know, an hour, 40 minutes difference.
Ooh.
I wouldn't be able to see that anyway.
Oh, come on, the 8. I can't get this at 10.
Try the 11.
Oh. Oh.
Try to cut it in.
Oh.
Hmm? I can't see it.
Wait, what just happened? Did you just get yours in?
I got mine in,
And then,
and he bounced back and went up here, so I can't.
wait, what? You got him in over there, and then he went all the way over
I
there.
was shooting here.
What?
Here.
He went to bounce off
I
from over.
shut the hair, I cut him in, but then I bounced over there and hit behind the 15 where I can't see the 8.
That. Okay. Come on.
Uh-oh.
Oh man, you got it.
I might scratch like I did last night.
You better scratch. This is a fast game. Or you might miss. Also, you're gonna scratch or make it.
Yeah. I don't want to shoot like I did last night where I shot hard and it jumped in.
Just.
You hide it again.
Oh, you need this? You could have taken the little stick.
Huh?
You could have took the small stick.
No, that's right. I had nothing to shoot at anyway.
Oh no. Okay. No, we do a break. No. Oh. Oh.
Almost scratched.
1,
Almost.
2, 3,
Like
4,
last
5,
night.
6, 7. Wait. Did I get a single one in?
You
I
didn't-
had 7.
You didn't get any in.
No, I don't believe it.
That was a shutout. Here, like Kaya, she go in the pool.
No, I don't believe it. I'm coming around second time to double check now.
That's if I get in the pool.
I'm not going in. There's bugs in there. I hate bugs.
What's that?
I hate bugs. Also, cats don't like water.